How to unprivate your YouTube videos on phone. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of View. Then click on the option of Channel Videos. Then this page, you're going to find all of your videos. Head towards the video that you want to unprivate. What you have to do is, at the right corner of each video, you will find three dots. Click on it. Then click on the option of Edit. Now over here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Visibility. Now from here you can easily unprivate your video. You can set it to public or unlisted. Select the option of your choice and then you can head back, click on Save, and just with that your video will be unprivate. By following the same steps, you can easily unprivate any of your video on a YouTube channel. Well, this way you can easily unprivate your YouTube videos on phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.